Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds LENOVO ThinkPlus XT92 with your Android device. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. Now, at the top, click Pair New Device button. Not all Android phones have it, but maybe you have, or maybe you need to only enter to the Bluetooth. After that, open the charging case and remove your earbuds from the case. Your earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so we should see them at the device list, but if your earbuds connected with another device, you need to disconnect it or unpair from your another device, and then these earbuds enter to pairing mode. After that, tap on them at the device list and click pair. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!